How to disable smart home features on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable smart home feature on your Android phone. Whether you are getting unwanted pop-ups, notifications from device, or just want to keep things simple and private, this video is for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on Notification and Control Center. And now here, once you are inside this section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as Additional Cards. So simply tap on that. And now here, inside the additional cards, you'll see the option labeled as Smart Home. So simply toggle off that option. And that's it. And now your Android is free from smart home control, whether it's for privacy, performance, or just keeping things simple. Disabling this feature gives you a back control. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.